Hi guys, and welcome to Vlogcember day 18. It is Tuesday, 8:30 in the morning, and Lindsay and Michaela are coming over. We're going to be doing a Christmas gift exchange, which I'm super excited about. We've been planning this for like over a month, and I'm really excited to give them their gifts. Unfortunately, one of their gifts didn't come in the mail on time. I paid for fast shipping. It was like $20 extra, and it shipped yesterday. It's not going to get here till Friday, so I'm like, why? And I placed this order like a month ago, so I'm a little bit frustrated about that. But I am excited for them to open up their gifts. We're going to have hot cocoa, we're going to watch Christmas movies, and we're going to be really cute in our matching pajamas. So that is the plan for today, and then I do have to work until midnight tonight, which is going to suck the big one. I had to work till midnight last night as well, so I'm pretty tired. Lindsay and I both actually worked till midnight, so we're going to be very tired, but we did probably all manage to do a full face. I'm pretty sure they did it because we're going to take a cute picture as well. So we're just going to have a nice, cozy, relaxing Christmas exchange day. So they should be here in like 10 minutes, so I'll talk to you guys once they're here. Okay, so this is my little hot cocoa station. I have the mugs right here that are like Christmassy mugs. Then I have the hot cocoa K-cups. And then I have my two candles, the hot cocoa and cream candles, and then little things to put in the hot cocoa, like hot cocoa spoons. So this is my little station, got my marshmallows, and then I have whipped cream in the fridge. I feel like my apartment just looks so cozy. I wish I could just stay here all day and relax and be cozy and not have to go into work. I also wish it was Christmas all year round because I love having my tree up with my presents, and I kind of like that it's like cold outside because I like being cozy in my pajamas and my slipper socks. It just makes everything look so comforting and cozy in here. Christmas gift exchange.
Can I just say that I don't remember what's in any of these boxes?
Yeah, that happens to me.
I did.
Oh my God.
Sorry.
Teddy got a new toy. It's champagne. You love it?
Since I don't remember what's in this,
You don't remember what's in the biggest box?
I don't remember.
Oh my God.
What is this? I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Look
honestly.
how adorable this wrapping is.
You're gonna
So
have
cute.
To unlock it a little bit. This is the bigger gift.
Ooh. What?
No.
Oh.
Not what you're saying.
Hi, sweets.
Alright.
I should have done the other one first. Just keep going. Just keep going.
Oh, I remember.
Oh shit. This right here. Oh yeah. See you guys later. Where the hell did you find this?
On our website.
I didn't even know this existed.
Let's see if I remember this.
I gotta call it work tomorrow so I can wear my sweater.
This is for you. Should I hand it to you like you handed it? No, you know what? Yeah.
We want to make sure that she's opening the right gift.
Yeah. All right. I'm opening your own gift right now. So let's see.
You already know what it is?
She saw it.
Shit. What is it?
The writing.
Yeah.
Show you, Linz.
Oh, is this what I think it is? This is what I think it is. Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
I don't need cheap wrapping paper on this, thank you. Get off of me, I have wealth in my hands.
I don't even want to open it.
I know.
Oh, you heard that opening? Yes.
Ooh.
The light.
Ooh, yes.
And it's the red iPhone. See you guys later, guys. Look at my makeup.
You okay? Hey,
The hell?
get that off your nose. Whoop. Okay.
You don't eat tape. What the heck?
Here you go.
That better be the last one.
It's the last one. Look. Empty.
My goodness, Teddy, did you know about this? What the hell's wrong with you? Wow! More wealth, Teddy! I can't be here!
Just open it.
What is it?
Oh my goodness! What is this? Teddy! Excuse me, wealth. Oh my goodness.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, I'm gonna gonna stunt on these hoes tomorrow.
Me and Linz have one more gift for you.
What the hell?
One more gift.
Why?
Bring it out, bring it out.
That better not be what I think it is. I don't want to open it.
You have to.
I don't want to. You have to open it. I don't want to.
You have to.
It's really nice wrapping paper, so you don't want to open it.
Wrapping paper.
Just don't be rough with it, please.
Gentle, gentle.
It's wrapped down the best.
It feels real heavy.
Oh, it is. What is it?
Wow! Wow. Wow.
Let's see.
She can't even open it.
It's like. Sadie, do you see this?
So pretty.
I am quitting to my original Christmas wrapping.
I know. I saw that snap last
There's
night.
about 32 pieces of tape on there.
Ooh, what is this?
I know. You said you didn't have a funnel scarf. An infinity
Funnel
scarf.
Ooh, Teddy
I
enjoys.
thought it matched your coat.
It does.
This is the softest.
I love it.
I know it.
I needed this for my
I know.
neck.
I heard you point it out. I'm like, how didn't she have a freaking scarf?
I
What
know.
the
Thank you.
hell?
This guy. Hey, you want to help me? All right, let's see.
Mine's not as fancy as Lindsay's. Sheesh.
I went in, okay? I went in.
Is this Victoria's Secret?
You know, every year it is.
What the hell is wrong with you?
Everything.
Everything.
What is this? A shirt?
Shirt and leggings.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Oh, those are cute.
Ooh.
I think it was small or medium.
Yes, 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 yes,
Ooh.
Isn't it the cutest to work out in?
yes. It's so cute. I love the band on
I
this.
love those.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Oh, you didn't know what this was.
Been watching
I
that.
forgot about it though.
Did you?
Yes. Ooh,
Well, that's exciting.
in the drawer.
Ooh.
For so long.
This is the
Oh,
prettiest
so
highlight.
pretty.
Prettiest highlight ever.
The biggest pan of highlight
I
ever.
know.
You'll never need another highlighter in your
know
life.
what that is. I know.
She's so annoying.
I can guess
How do you
now.
know every single gift? You're such a brat.
Obnoxious.
Obnoxious.
I knew it.
Teddy's concerned. Teddy is concerned again.
This. Oh, I'm okay. I'm all right.
You needed
Thank
that.
you.
You opened it?
Pretty rich.
She
Yes,
needed
we
that. You needed that.
are. This is a good one.
That was like the last minute one, right?
Yeah. I like this a lot. Oh, you didn't shut up about it for 30 minutes at the
I
store,
Look at that gem.
so thank you, Lynn. Welcome. Ooh, we'll do.
What is that?
I think Christmas is over.
I think we all overdid it with each other.
Fine.
But it's fine.
I think there needs to be another Christmas. What is in this box?
Exactly. It's like,
I had to leave it in the shipping box. There was no way. There was no way. What did you get shipped to you? Don't even look on the label. I ripped it off because
Ooh. Oh my god. What if it was something gentle? Oh, I know what this is.
know what this is. What are you?
Just through the box.
Liz. What are you laughing at?
That
Now I'll see you guys.
Now you've done it. Isn't that the cutest?
It's so cute. Wow, I wanted a new backpack.
I knew you wanted a new backpack.
Ooh, this feels good.
Yes,
This
it does.
feels good.
Well, you know, we try to lick the
but it
back
feels
of our
good.
hands and it sucks.
You're welcome. I love that. God.
Poor Teddy.
That's similar, did you?
Oh.
I got you a extra small. Did I do or small?
Oh, small because small fits. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
because I know
Yes.
it's
Yes.
kind
Yes.
of run
Yes.
big a little bit, but
It does.
see
oh,
it?
I love the hoodie.
That's
Oh my
that's like a
goodness, it's so
comfy
cute.
wear.
Let me see. Oh, that is cute.
Everyone needs letters in a hoodie.
Yep.
Okay, this one just wants to fall, so we're gonna.
What is this?
So cute.
Oh.
I love the band.
What's that one?
This is.
Oh, do I? Oh.
That was
Yeah,
the last
this doesn't
minute.
sound like anything.
You are not gonna figure that one out.
Okay, all right.
Ooh.
Marble.
Yeah.
You've been talking with that marble beauty blender.
I was, and I really wanted to try these. So
Mhm.
I figured you would be the
excited.
first one to try it and give a true
Yes.
opinion. That's Lindsay's giveaway.
Give one.
Yep.
Yeah. This one was obvious.
Yeah. You know how you was gonna buy it and I almost wanted to punch you in the throat. I'm like, I already have it. Don't do that.
Well, you already know it's the fragrance, way perfume,
We
That's-
both got you the same one. so
That's
you
a
could've been
goodie.
all
Love
like,
it.
yeah.
It's a goodie.
Mhm.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're not getting this okay.
She's like,
You didn't tell me anything.
Uh-huh.
Oh, you did tell me that.
Yeah, yeah.
well, I
That's-
was like, you better not be buying some No Lala Retro. It's like, you should not buy that.
Oh my God, so she gave it away. That little trickster.
I knew someone.
Ooh.
I wonder.
What in the hell? What is this?
Mm.
Shut up.
You better
Shut up.
You shut up. I know it.
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
What is it?
Excited. Joe Malone.
Joe Malone. I just
She
knew.
took that gift from me. You understand? I was like, I want to buy Lindsay like that fake fragrance or whatever the hell she likes.
I've got one that I couldn't wrap, Lynn.
Find it, click.
What in the hell?
Please don't fall tree.
And she took that gift from me too.
No, you didn't. No way.
Oh, dear God.
I know. Lynn.
It's the coat you wanted.
Oh.
I know.
That's the cutest coat.
Oh, I mean, I'm just gonna.
Oh, yes.
That goes
Hi, guys.
together. You boots and get the hell out.
I'm all set.
It's so cute on you.
I love it.
What are you looking at?
She's looking at happiness.
You. Okay, well,
Shall we, darling?
we might have one more gift.
One more gift. Oh, this one was really hidden. Geesh.
Yes, it was. Yes,
Okay,
it's
it's a
for
palette of some
you.
sort.
It's a Harry
Is
Potter
it?
book.
Yeah. Surprise.
You know what? Oh.
It's like a book
It's
we
a
have no
palette.
idea.
It's a
She knows what
palette.
she likes.
Uh-huh.
I know. I know. I'm so happy for you. Let's finish up today.
Freaking people. I'm gonna kill you
Oh,
all.
I better have to hold that in.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
to go home.
wrap it.
Wrap it up. Wrap it up. I got my stuff. I'm good.
I want to see it. I don't know which one it was.
Touch it.
I think it was the I don't know. What? Not the warm one. It's the other one, I think. Actually, I don't remember.
I'm sorry, Teddy. I'm scaring you. But
What could it be? It's the gold one.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
We want to see
can
it.
we just, can we?
Yes.
Freaking people.
Ma'am. Wow.
Natasha, Pat, we're all here.
We're all here.
All here.
And Kayla just decided to get me this.
You needed it.
Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Okay. Whoa.
I want that for myself.
It's so pretty.
Look at
So,
you.
so pretty.
Please.
Gonna get it together.
They
Oh my
really
God, that would have been
outdid.
even.
themselves.
That's a beautiful picture, Michaela.
Oh, that's nice.
Wow.
This is beautiful, let me tell ya.
We're all taking pictures of our piles of beauty. Hot cocoa.
It's dry.
It is time.
It smells delightful.
Mm-hmm. We're watching Home Alone. In our matching PJs.
Matching PJs. So exciting.
So cutesy. My goodness, we're so cozy on the couch. Such a cozy day. We just ordered food. We got some burgers coming our way. It's delightful. What burgers did you guys get?
Build your
I
own.
made my own burger.
Oh, with what on it?
I got fried egg.
Ooh.
I'm plain. I'm plain. You know I'm plain.
Yeah, fried egg with some.
You went
onions.
extra. I got some onion rings on the side. Maybe I'll
Yeah.
put some on my burger.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. You want to lay on top of it? I knew it.
Oh, you are so cozy.
He's so sleepy.
Okay, you guys, I am going to end my vlog now. This was Vlogcember day, what is it, 18th?
18th.
Day 18. And we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.